Hey guys, Connor here, and today we're going to be starting and finishing a new series, which is in the language Go. So, first thing that we need to do is install Go. So, type in Go and download. First on here, click Microsoft Windows, or whichever one you have. I've got Windows, so I'm going to download that. So then you'll click Run and let it download. Okay, so you're going to go through this, just change the path to whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it as default, and then click Install. Okay, so while it starts doing, we can install an IDE called Goland. They offer a free version, but I'm going to be using the professional. It's a very good IDE for Go, and it's cross-platform as well. So click Run on that as well. Okay, so Go's finished. So we just need to wait for the IDE. Meanwhile, there we go. It's been installed successfully. So now we're installing Goland. 64-bit launcher and Korean association. There we go. Right, okay, so we want to run Goland. We can just close this. Do not import settings. Just scroll through this and click accept. And this basically allows them to collect basic statistics. I just do that anyway. Right, so here you can either evaluate for free or log in. So I'm going to log in. Right, so I'm just going to activate it. There we go. Right, so we would need to click New Project, Go Module. Let's just call it Hello World. SDK Go 1.11. Create. Okay. So new Go file. Call it main. Need to change the package to main and define a main function. But first we need to add a new configuration once it's done indexing. Okay, so now that that's indexed, we can add a configuration, go build, and I generally just put a directory. If we have more than one file, it'll build all of them. Right, so now let's just call it run program. Click apply, and if we click this, it will build, but nothing would happen. So to write hello world, we need fmt.println. It'll automatically import for you. Now hello world. So now if you run that, it'll compile, and it says hello world. Now if we go to the directory where the project is, you can't see an executable, so you need to go to terminal, go build, and now it's made this. Yeah, that's it for now. We've got a working hello world program. So if you enjoyed, please make sure to rate, comment and subscribe.